Hi there, welcome to some DIY, my name's Ben. In this video we're checking out this desktop charging stand for the Amazon Echo Pop. Okay, so you've got the Echo Pop or different Echo devices. This company do different stands and accessories for different Echo devices, but we've got the one for the Echo Pop. So this is a desktop charging stand which has got USB-A and USB-C charging ports built in. So basically on this video we're going to unbox it here, then we're going to try it out. So this is kind of giving you more flexibility and different capability from your Amazon Echo devices. Okay, so we've got the black one here. It does come in white as well, depending on your colour scheme and the colour of your Echo Pop. So the main functionality of this is for the Echo Pop to sit inside here. We're going to set this up in a moment. I just want to give an overview of the actual desktop stand itself. Power cable that comes with the Echo Pop goes into the back of here. Then that plugs into the Echo Pop. The functionality is you've got a stand for it, so you can move this around rather than just having the device on its own. But also on the back of here, you've got a Type C and Type A charging port. So it's almost like a dock, basically. So using the Echo Pop for more than just what it is, and you've got the output ports connected directly into the back of there. So let's go and get this set up with an Echo Pop inside, and then we'll make sure it works. Just a couple of things to point out before we do that. On the bottom there is a kind of a rubber foot, so that won't slip. So it's perfect for the desktop, so it won't move around too much, which is really great. Overall, it's giving you extra flexibility and capability from the Echo Pop. A really low-cost, versatile accessory that you can add on to an existing device. So let's go try it out and see what it's like. Alexa, say hello.
Hello.
Okay, all done there with the Echo Pop desktop stand. Super cool, super flexible in terms of giving those a power output. Obviously the power that comes from the Echo Pop, it's the exact same one into the back of the stand. You've then got the pass-through power into the Echo Pop, but with the additional elements of the USB charging. So this would be super good if it's really tight for charging space on the desk or a small area. It could be used maybe on a side table as well. So you could have the one plug into the actual Echo Pop, and then you could charge a mobile phone or a tablet or anything like that overnight, maybe on a desktop stand. So it's really helping with space and making the most use out of the Echo Pop. Hopefully you've liked the video. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down. Any questions about the device, let me know in the comments section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more product reviews, tech reviews, giveaways, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.